Uganda's Chief of Defense Forces CDF General Muhoozi has arrived in Gabon to attend celebrations marking the country's 66th Independence Day. General Kengaba is attending the August 17th celebrations in Libreville at the invitation of Gabonese President Brice Oligui Nguema, who is also the Supreme Commander of Gabon's Defense and Security Forces. Upon arrival in Libreville, General Kengaba was received by Gabon's Minister of Defense, Brigadier General Brigitte Nkonoa, and the Chief of General Staff of the Gabonese Armed Forces, General Jean Bredel Boka. He was also welcomed by members of the Ugandan delegation accompanying him, including State Minister for Agriculture, Muhoozi, Joint Staff Political Commissariat, Major General Henry Masiko, and Joint Staff Training and Doctrine Brigadier General Wycliffe Kaita. Gabon celebrates its independence from French colonial rule on August 17th. The country gained independence from France in 1960, marking this year's celebrations the 66th anniversary of independence. General Kengaba's visit comes amid growing diplomatic and bilateral engagements between Uganda and Gabon. President Brice Oligui Nguema visited Uganda in August 2024, where he held discussions with President Yoweri Museveni on areas including trade, defense, tourism, and health cooperation. He later returned to Kampala in May 2026 to attend President Museveni's inauguration. The CDF's presence at the independence celebrations is expected to provide an opportunity for further engagement between the two countries, particularly on defense and regional security matters. Bilateral discussions on military cooperation and regional security are expected to take place on the sidelines of the celebrations. The visit underscores the developing relationship between Uganda and Gabon and the two countries' efforts to strengthen cooperation in areas of mutual interest. The Ugandan delegation is expected to participate in the official Independence Day activities in Libreville on August the 17th. The source is Uganda's People's Defense Forces, the UPDF, August 16, 2026.